much you love maple, Cynthia. Wow. I don't need it. Got this pineapple out of the freezer. This is how I've been storing it. The bananas are obviously in that container, which is so cool. 1 avocado. I'm gonna use the lemon that I got the rind off, and I haven't juiced it yet. So when you do things like this, it doesn't mean that inside's not good. Someone wrote to me and said, oh, what do I do with the inside? It's like you juice it and put it in your food. But they thought, oh, it's going all yucky on the outside. And I was like, oh my God, that makes total sense. But no, cut it and juice it. Winning. And water, coconut yogurt, turmeric, maybe some maple. Just depends on how sweet this bad boy is. I'm gonna need like a good handful of pineapple. Look at that. Oh, the smell. It's been in there for like 2 weeks now. That's how cool things are when you protect them and you wrap them. This is what I do with my Ziploc bag. So I get all the air out, flatten it, zip it back up, and I put it into the freezer like that. Like when it's full, I put it back into the freezer and flatten it out. Anyway, okay, I need a lemon juicer-ism. I'm going to use half of this lemon. Yes. Please, God. Please, God. Are you ready? Come on. Oh, there's nothing wrong with that. Look at that. Just a few little bits there, which I'll take out. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. Thank you to all the farmers that tirelessly try and make things. All right, this entire avocado is going to go into my Vitamix without those brown bits. And the reason, you know what? A lot of people go, I'll just put the whole thing in. Well, no, it actually tastes gross, the brown bits, so I scoop them out. Thank you, farmers. Thank you. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Every time, every time. Thank you, thank you, thank you. All right, what else have we got? Coconut yogurt. I've got a good half a cup of this bad boy. You got that, Dee? And that avocado wasn't very big either. It was quite a small one, to be honest. Ice, loads of it. Gonna need some turmeric. Around half a teaspoon of turmeric powder. Now, the quality of turmeric powder depends on how it's grown. So anything biodynamic or organic is going to be so much stronger in flavour. Trust me, and that's with everything. Okay, look at me, it's just like genie dust, you know? Everything is stronger in flavour. Why? Because they tend to the soil differently, and that's the earth's skin. And all the nutrition goes up through those roots and into that plant. So depending on where you're at, for me, it's like as much as I can with organic or biodynamic food. And now I need water. I start with about a cup, right, every time. And that just gives me an opportunity to add more, because if I add like 3 cups in, I won't be able to take it out. So I start with a cup. Now, do I add my maple now or later? That's the question, hey, the most asked question. When do I add the maple? Add dates if you don't want to add maple. Don't add any sweetener at all. Just flow, 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 cleanse, cleanse, flow, flow, flow. Totally flow. I know I'm going to want it. I'm going to want a pinch of salt, actually. Salt is super, super important throughout this cleanse. Super important. It's where we're getting our minerals from, right? All the salt I'm putting in food is our mineral supplement. And changing up your salt, super important. Don't just go with one salt. I say this all the time. Buy your salt, run out of the salt, change the brand. Stick to something that has low processing, high mineral content. The whole world, mineral content, the whole world has these fault lines and these different salt and energy points. Himalayan, then this color Himalayan, then white, then Celtic, then a natural salt, then this salt. It's so good. Okay, I'm gonna blend. Just a little bit of a salt red. See if this needs maple, Cynthia, because you know how much you love maple, Cynthia. Wow. I don't need it. The pineapple's not even sweet. It's almost like it's a very tangy smoothie. I mean, it'd be good to put some in because it'll make it super sweet, which is great. But for some reason, I don't need that today, which is strange. All right, going in. And make sure that avocado is really ripe too. That's another thing I just thought of then. And if you're going to work, lid on, into the fridge at work, then before you go to drink it, shake it really, really, really well. And get everything. I mean, if you've got a blender at work, even better. Or if you go to work, I did put mine in the freezer the other day and I half froze it, which was so great. And then I shook it and let it defrost a bit and it was just really icy and yummy. So it's up to you, but this is gorgeous. This is very, very filling. Don't forget, every heartbeat, every breath, it's what keeps us alive, you know? And we're just flourishing this body with great thoughts, great feelings, great intentions, great food. Together we're better, together we're better, together we're better. So don't forget to comment below. Please go into the group, do the things. I'm here to help. See ya.